Every second you spend thinking about the next moment, you avoid embarrassing the present. Ensure your life isn't lived entirely in your head. The more you count your blessings, the more blessings you will have to count. Step out of your comfort zone and face your fears. Growth takes place when you are challenged, not when you are comfort. Get the love you deserve and give your partner the love and support he deserves. When man and woman are able to respect and accept their differences, the love has to change to blossom. If we are to feel the positive feelings of love, happiness, trust, and gratitude, we periodically also have to feel anger, sadness, fear, and sorrow. Men need to remember that women talk about problems to get close and not necessarily to get solutions. Be the priority, not the option. Sit with the people who protect your name in your absence. Just keep your conscious mind busy with the expectations of the best. You can develop the right mental attitude when you realize that nothing external can upset you or hurt you without your mental concern. The only path by which another person can upset you is through your own thoughts. You must see it, you must believe it, and then you must never stop working to make it happen. Always remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. The truth is, you can acquire any quality you want by acting as though you already have it. Busy your mind with the concept of harmony, health, peace, and good, and wonder will happen in your life. In the process, you must not hesitate to cut down on the people who share negative feelings with you. The three things, the main steps of building any skill or habit that will change your life. That is learning, practice, apply, and consistency. Positive energy attracts positive energy. If you like and want to be in the circle of these people, then you should first become like these people. Our mind is a tool. It's up to you how to use it. Everyone is searching for the right person, but nobody is trying to be the right person. 3/4 of the people you meet hunger for sympathy. Give it to them, and then they will love you. Remember that a person's emotions are not logical, they are real and powerful. The best way to handle complaints is to listen and acknowledge feelings before responding. In a truly loving relationship, both partners feel free to be themselves without judgment or fear of rejection. When we love mindfully, we honor the present moment rather than being bound by the past hurts or the future fears. A relationship is a journey, not a destination. It unfolds through the conscious act of love we make daily. A mature relationship is the one in which partners understand that their own feelings in their responsibility, not their partners.